Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
Now, Philip Rivers, Eli Manning, don't get in. So you tell me, now Joy's argument is interesting. Joy has a theory on, give me your little theory.
My little theory is that while I see your points, can you tell the history of the NFL's greatest moments in time without their careers?
Eli Manning is your example.
You cannot tell Tom Brady's story without losing to Eli Manning twice in the Super Bowl.
So whose standard do you like better?
So what's gonna happen? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh, they could get through. Never mind. Oops.
Why would that truck just stop?
This is green and we're not going. Best believe. I'm sorry, we're laying on the horn.
Wait. What is happening? Everyone's just stopped. Oh, are they waiting for them to go? This is kind of funny. Oh my god, it's all the way back there.
Excuse me, if you would like to talk with me about the illegal thing that you just did, you can pull over the side of the road.
I want to. I'll pull over. What would you do? Just beat me up or something like that?
No, I wouldn't do anything, because you're the one who's inciting a problem here. Because you pulled into a center lane and just basically stopped. And now you're calling me to antagonize me. So I would advise you to just shut the fuck up.
I'm actually calling you. I beg your pardon? I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. What did you say? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Are you still there?
Go ahead, keep antagonizing. Go ahead.
No, I didn't hear you.
What is it you would like to say?
I beg your pardon?
What is it you would like to say?
Well, I wanted to call. I guess you're the owner, manager, the chief bottle washer. I was hoping that there was someone above you so I could register a complaint. Not necessarily about your driving, which I think was bad, or your honking of the horn, which is unnecessary, or you're giving me the finger,
You know
which
what?
is also unnecessary.
You know what?
Kind of a combination of all of the above.
I could turn this video in to the police, and they could come find you for doing.
I want you to do that.
I will. Can you recite to me what you did wrong?
No, I want you to do that, and then I don't know, with the car you drive, I don't think you're probably doing that well, and I don't know if you're on Google, but I'll check. And here's the thing: if you care, which you may not, you would.
But
Ooh.